Hey, Mike here, product specialist at BWGS. And today I'd like to introduce our Ion digital lighting controller. It offers precise control over large-scale lighting systems. Some of the features include a dual zone lighting timer, auto dimming, adjustable sunrise and sunset cycles, high temperature dimming and shutdown, memory backup, and can control up to 400 USB enabled ballasts. The Ion digital lighting control is compatible with our 315 watt CMH and our 1000 watt DE ballasts. If you haven't seen them yet, you definitely want to check out our YouTube videos on them. Also included is our USB controllers for 2 banks and 2 temperature sensors for each bank and power supply. And to learn more on how to get lit up, go to ionballasts.com.